Police have booked Debashish Acharya for the attack that he conducted yesterday on Mamata Banerjee's nephew and Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee. He's been booked on the basis of an FIR that has been filed by the Youth TMC president. Shambit now joins us for more on that story. Yes, Shambit, what more details do you have of the charges that have been filed against Debashish?
Debashish Acharya has been booked under several sections of IPC, and the major one is that he has been booked under IPC section which talks about attempt to murder. So he has been charged with attempt to murder of Abhishek Banerjee along with several other sections of IPC like criminal trespassing and criminal intimidation. So this is raising a question. The man who had gone up to the stage and just slapped Abhishek Banerjee is now being charged with attempt to murder case. And Debashish Acharya is now undergoing treatment, even though Abhishek Banerjee, the Youth TMC president who got slapped yesterday, had mentioned in his Facebook post that at the personal level he is forgiving this youth, but he didn't take any initiative to protect or save this man, Debashish Acharya, yesterday when his party men actually went on thrashing him and actually beating him up mercilessly, and now he's claiming that he has forgiven him and left the whole investigation to the police, and the police have now charged, has booked Debashish Acharya under charges of attempt to murder. Back to you, Padmaja.
Shambit, just stay on with us because also remember there is inevitably that political angle to this entire episode. The Trinamool Congress has dragged in the BJP as the Slapgate incident has taken on a political twist. Party spokesperson and Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien accused certain parties, without naming them, of practicing divisive politics, while Abhishek Banerjee called the entire incident an act of cowardice. The TMC has made this episode entirely political.
Yesterday's unfortunate, nasty incident was not only a disgrace to politics, but also a disgrace to the nation, because a young man, in his early innings of his political career, someone tried to stop what he was trying to do in a clear, honest, transparent way. This has been almost a pattern in the last 6-7 months, where there are parties which talk on one end about digital India, but what they are actually trying to do is create a divisive India, is to create a destructive India. And this can never happen in Bengal, because for years and centuries, people from all communities, be they Hindu, be they Muslim, be they Christian, be they Sikh, be they Buddhist, be they Jain, they have lived in peace and harmony in Bengal. The Trinamool Congress stands for tolerance. The Trinamool Congress stands for communal harmony. The Trinamool Congress stands for decency and democracy in parliamentary politics.
By now it is very clear that Trinamool Congress is ridden with all sorts of internal contradictions. Their own leaders are fighting with each other. Many of them are caught in illegal activities and crimes as far as the Sharda scam is concerned. So what are the internal disputes leading to this incident that has happened in public is something only that they can answer. But whatever is happening as a ruling party in a state, this does not augur well for a good governance and a government in Bengal.
But the BJP has discounted all of these allegations that the attacker of Abhishek Banerjee had anything to do with the party or even with the ABVP.
जो भी कल हुआ, जिस प्रकार की राजनीति में हिंसा होनी नहीं चाहिए, और ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मानना है, इसलिए जो कल हुआ उसको सही नहीं मानती। लेकिन जिस प्रकार से बयानबाजी टीएमसी की लीडरशिप कर रही है और कह रही है कि इसके अंदर बीजेपी या विपक्ष का हाथ है, वो गलत है। क्योंकि मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि ये वहां के जो अंदरूनी लड़ाई है टीएमसी की मिदनापुर के अंदर नेताओं के बीच में, जो पूर्व अध्यक्ष रहे युवा मोर्चा के टीएमसी के और जो वर्तमान में उनके बीच की जो लड़ाई है वो सामने उभर के आई है। और शारदा और चिटफंड और बर्दवान जो ब्लास्ट हुआ है उसके अंदर जिस प्रकार का टीएमसी का रोल सामने उभर के आ रहा है, पूरे के पूरे टीएमसी के अंदर एक उथल पुथल चल रही है। और उसका कारण आपने कल शुरुआती दौर में देखा है। ये अभी ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर पूरी आनी बाकी है।
काल जो लड़का अटैक किया है उसके बारे में, पॉलिटिकल आइडेंटिटी के बारे में डायरेक्टली आरएसएस और बीजेपी के नाता जोड़ रहा है टीएमसी।
देखिए, टीएमसी अपनी जो गलतियां हैं, अंदर की जो लड़ाई है टीएमसी के अंदर, उसको छुपाने के लिए उंगली उठा रही है किसी और के ऊपर, मगर वो एक उंगली उठाएंगे तो 3 उंगलियां उनकी तरफ उठती हुई दिखेंगी। और वास्तविकता ये है कि टीएमसी के अंदर खेमे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी का एक गुट हो गया है, कुछ लोगों का अलग हो गया है, यहाँ तक कि मुकुल रॉय भी जो है, जो दिल्ली में बैठे हुए हैं, वो भी एक अपना गुट बना रहे हैं। तो इस प्रकार का विभाजन टीएमसी में हो रहा है। ये सिविल वॉर की तैयारी हो रही है टीएमसी में, और इसीलिए मैं फिर से कह रहा हूं, ये अभी ट्रेलर है, पूरी की पूरी पिक्चर टीएमसी के सिविल वॉर की अभी बाकी है।
शारदा और सीबीआई के बारे में क्या बताना चाहेंगे आप?
शारदा अपने के जो इंक्वायरी है वो सीबीआई कर रही है, और अभी 2015 है तो भाग मुकुल भाग चल रहा है। 2016 जब आएगा तो भाग ममता भाग होएगा ही होएगा।
सर, एक बात जो है, वो लड़का जिसने थप्पड़ लगाया है उसने बोला है कि मैं हिंदू हूँ और मैं
हिंदू धर्म रक्षा